no stop in Alaska would be complete without a trip to the Ulu Factory. Now, the Ulu is like the coolest little design ever. If you don't know what an Ulu is, you're about to find out. So in that case is an Ulu that dates back to about 1000 BC. That's how old these tools have been used. He's making the Ulu handles, so the handles for the blades. It's really cool. So everything is handmade here, right to the blades being forged. The handles, even the cutting boards are made right here, right back behind me. They use a router and route it out. It's really cool. Now, these right here, you put your product that you want to cut into it, and then the Ulu just runs like this over it and chops it up. They're super sharp too. Don't worry, if you find a bunch of stuff here you want, or you want to get a bunch of Christmas gifts, they ship also.
It's heavy.
Well, that completes our time at the Ulu Factory. So just remember, if you buy an Ulu, you got to put it in your check bags, or you're going to get in trouble with the TSA. If you have any questions about the Ulu Factory, let me know. This is like our second or third time here. It's always nice to come on in and get some handmade from Alaskan souvenirs.